There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Wants to rule the world. Everybody wants to rule the world. There's a world where the Lord will find you. Holding out for the world's come tumbling down. When you're down, I'll be right behind you. So glad we almost made it. So sad they had to fade it. Everybody wants to rule the world. Days of a brand new start.
Sapagkat tayo po ay nakikisa sa pagdalangin sa Diyos para kina Patrick at Maria Vivian na ngayon ay humaharap sa panibagong yugto ng kanilang buhay.
Flames through an endless sky. The heavens looking down upon you. Glory we pass.
Ito yung pagmamahal na hindi lamang sa loob ng 10 taon, ng 25 taon, o ng 50 taon. Ngunit ito yung pagmamahal na hindi dapat nilalagyan ng hangganan.
For this.
Dear Mahal, this is the sweetest letter I've ever made for almost 11 years of being together. Time flies so fast, year 2010, when we fell in love for each other. It might be a decade of love, but for me, it feels like every day is a new one. I love everything about our relationship and our journey as a couple, and most of all, on how you treat me as a woman of your life.
Having you in my life is the biggest blessing that I received from God. Because for the 11 years of our relationship, you have the greatest influence in my life. And I am thankful for that every single day. And as we share our love to each other, it makes me believe that we deserve this rare kind of love. Thank you for being my girlfriend, my business partner, and now my wife. Uy, ayos to ah. O kaya to? Wow. Uy. Ayos. Mahal, thank you sa gift. And excited na ako makita ka mamaya.
Kailan ka mag-asawa? Hindi na ako mag-asawa.
Thank you, kuya.
Ayun, nasa mo na ngayon.
Wow.
Ay, wow.
Ano ko yan? Wow.
Uy, bongga din.
Wow. Thank you, Mahal. See you later.
And through the pressures of the present and the uncertainties of the future, I promise to be faithful to you. I promise to respect all your decisions as my wife. I promise to comfort you in times of distress. I promise to give you a comfortable life. I promise that I'll be by your side through good and tough times. From this day forward, you are now my life. Forever and always, Patrick.
Thank you for always giving the best for me. I'm so excited for this new chapter of us to build our family and grow old together. Finally, we will now receive what God has promised for both of us. I am now ready to spend the rest of my life with you. Your one true love, Vivian.